Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete trophies off of your PlayStation 4 account. So I'm just on the home screen here. I'm going to go up to the top bar and then go on over to trophies and select this. Now I want to find a game to delete. So I'm going to go through my list right here. And I don't believe I've ever played this game before. It's called Meet Your Maker. So I want to select it and then go to options. Then we will have the option to delete right here. Trophy information for the following application will be deleted. Meet Your Maker. Let's go on over to OK. So it is now removed from my list. So if you are trying to delete something and it's not deleting, this could be because you're actually into the trophies menu right here. I can see all the trophies for the game. If I press options under this menu, it's just going to say search internet and it's not going to give me the option to delete. So I have to be on the main trophies menu and then press options on it, and then I should have the option to delete. Now, not every game will have the option to delete. I don't think I've ever played that game before, but if you look through the list, so this one's an online game, Grand Theft Auto, that's an online game, Sonic Team Racing, so Ark Survival I'm able to delete. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.